And let's continue reading. Just like the pygmy blue, monarch butterflies sip nectar from flowers. But the monarch butterfly has one main food requirement, the milkweed. So the pygmy blue can have nectar of many kinds of flowers. But the monarch butterfly has one main food requirement, or it has one thing that is important to it, and that is the milkweed. Monarch butterflies must find this plant along their migration route. So they don't just migrate, they have to find this plant. It's called the milkweed. They have to find it in order for them to, here, you can see here in this picture, monarch butterflies feed on milkweed. They need this. They just need this kind of plant. So they have to find it on their way. Moving on. But what happens if there are no milkweed leaves? Let's find out. When people build houses and roads, there are fewer places for monarchs to find milkweed. So, because people build their houses in places wherein milkweed can grow, they avoid or they stop the growing of the milkweed, which will make the monarch butterflies not easily find. That's why they cannot easily find the plant that they need. If the monarch cannot find food, its population will decrease, or its population will become less. The western pygmy blue and monarch butterflies are not endangered or at risk for becoming extinct now, but biologists are worried. So now they're not endangered. Both kinds of butterflies are not endangered, but biologists or people who study them, scientists who study them, are worried. Many other butterflies are endangered because people destroy their habitats. So, why do other butterflies become endangered? Because people destroy or ruin their habitats or the place that they live in. Okay, help butterflies. Now we're going to talk about how we can help these butterflies. Like all wildlife, monarch and pygmy blue butterflies should be respected. Wildlife are the wild animals or the animals that live in nature. They should be respected. People need to preserve butterfly habitats. We need to take care. Preserve means to take care and make sure that their homes are okay. To help, they can work to change laws, plant milkweed, or make it illegal to destroy animal habitats. So these are some ways that people can help. We can work to change the laws, to change some rules that say that it's okay to build houses in places where the butterflies live. We can plant milkweed. We can plant more of the plants that the butterflies need. And we can make it illegal to destroy animal habitats. And we can work together to make new laws or new rules that make it against the rules or illegal to ruin the houses of animals or the habitats of animals. Learning about butterflies and what they need to survive is important. That way, there will be plenty of western pygmy blue and monarch butterflies for future generations to enjoy. So once we understand that we need to take care and to make sure that these butterflies have their homes and have what they need to survive, then we can have a lot more of these butterflies for the next generations to enjoy. Okay, did you like this expository text? Because I liked it so much, and it's really important to learn about how to save or how to help butterflies. Now, I need you to answer the following questions in a piece of paper and send it to your teachers. First one, how can people learn to respect butterflies? Of course, you can go back to the text for text evidence, especially this part. It will tell you how people can learn to respect butterflies. And talk about some butterflies you have seen. How are they alike and how are they different? So let's say one time you saw butterflies, or if not butterflies, any other insects. Maybe you've seen two different kinds of insects. Tell me or tell your teachers how they're alike and how they're different. And send your work when you're done. Thank you, boys and girls.